Hello viewers, hello, I'm Ekta Sharma and I'm Assistant Professor, Vianney Group of Colleges. I'm here to discuss a very important topic. First of all, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. So let us discuss a very important topic from the subject DBMS, that is known as Database Management System. You all must have heard about the relational algebra. Well, it's a very simple topic, my friends. So let us discuss relational algebra today. Okay, as you know that we store our data in tables, right? And we call tables as relations. So here we will refer the tables as relations, right? So when we store our data into relations, or I can say tables, we need to manipulate the data sometime, no? So we need such operators or set of operators to manipulate the data. So we have some of the operators here. We can divide the operators in two groups. Here in this video we will discuss the first group only. We have union, second is intersection, then we have set difference, and then Cartesian product. So here briefly we will discuss union operator. As you can see, I have two relations as I refer as a table. We have two tables such as A and table B. We have some entries like Robin, Tom, Carrie, Elisa, Query and Can. And in this table we have Jack, Tom, Elisa, Henry, Stu and Clark. As you can see, there are two entries such as Tom and Elisa. These entries are repeating in the table B also. You can see here Tom and Elisa, right? So the symbol which represent union is denoted by this, as you can see in the video. So the representation will be, if I say we need to do a union of two tables, then I will represent it by A union B, right? So that will be A union B. Now union represent all the number of entries need to be counted by one, right? And no repeating groups should be there. If I talk about these two tables, all the rows should be included, but no repeating groups or no repeating rows should be there. So Robin should be there, Tom, Carrie, Elisa, Query and Ken should be there. And from this table, Jack should be there. Tom and Elisa should not be there because they are repeating. They are also coming in the same table previously, right? So we'll continue with Jack, Henry, Stu and Clark. So the union says that you need to include all the table in a result, but do not include the rows which are repeating. Only one time the repeating row will be counted, right? So as a result we have Robin, Tom, Carrie, Elisa. As you can say, Tom and Elisa there are only one time, right? Then Query, Can, Jack, Henry, Stu and Clark. I hope the union operation is very much clear to you. Thank you so much for listening to me very carefully. Thank you and thank you. For more details and more educational information, kindly visit to our website, that is GuruKPO.com. Thanks a lot.